Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Audi Q2 Black Edition. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower while still returning up to 44 miles to the gallon. This is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 33,000 miles and comes with full service history from Audi. This particular colour is the metallic Daytona grey and looks in great condition, fair your mileage of the car. As we look aside, you've got the nice clean interior. Being an Audi, everything feels really solid, and as it's the S-Line, you've got the sport seats there, which are half leather, and an armrest for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth, for example. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has air conditioning, as well as the virtual cockpit there, which I think looks really smart. And then also automatic headlights and wipers. And finally, on the driver's door card there, you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. And just below that, you've got your electric tailgate button. As we open the rear doors, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for the rear passengers. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, with the split rear seats being split there in the centre, as well as the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is at its lowest point at the moment, but you can increase that if you wish to increase the volume below. And below that, you've got some extra storage, as well as your tyre inflator kit there in the black bag. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 19-inch black alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.